Papaya is an oblong fruit with bright orange flesh with substantial amounts of beta-carotene and vitamin C. Papaya is also rich in antioxidants and fiber, as well as many other beneficial vitamins and minerals. The fruit is often helpful with digestive problems, such as constipation and nausea. Young papaya needed for planting. The planting field is ready. Papaya fruits mature their first fruit in 10 to 14 months from the time the plants are set in the orchard. Production of the fruits is continuous during the life of the tree. Home growers should harvest when the fruit is between 1 second and 3/4 the mature color. These will be sweeter since papayas do not increase in sweetness after picking. Harvest the fruits when they are still hard and green but slightly turn yellow. Pick up by hand. Take care to avoid bruising or splitting of the skin while picking. Yield ranges from 50 to 75 tons per acre. Washing before transporting to the processing place. Pack into the box neatly. Spray the water and wrap with newspapers. Transport papaya to the processing area. A lot of labor and hard work needed for this kind of transportation. These transportation lines are directly connected with the washing areas. Washing before going to the next processing stages. Typically, only the flesh of the papaya is dehydrated, the seeds and skin are discarded, and the fruit is cut into whatever shape is designed. Usually, cubes or slices are preferred since they are dehydrated faster than halves. Sorting and distributing evenly in trays. Using either a dehydrator or an oven set at or slightly below 100 degrees Fahrenheit, the fruit is slowly dried over several hours. Testing samples in the laboratory. Dry papaya snacks. Packaging. Next is the process of making papaya juice.